Racing just is started. We have Zenyor Cricket. First to show quickness at the start. Lavi, Z-Master is down on the inside. Victory Joe comes next. Running by the rail is Late Bloomer. South Pearl in the middle portion of is Frozen Margarita. And going along for the first turn, we have C-Master by over length and a half. Right behind in second is Zenyor Cricket. Moving up now on the outside is Victory Joe. Running by the rail now is Late Bloomer. Moving up now is South Pearl Labi, while Frozen Margarita now racing and less back to the leader. We have Z-Master maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead. Moving up now on the outside is Zenyor Cricket. Late Bloomer now trying to get closer in third. Then comes Victory Joe, South Pearl, Frozen Margarita, while Lavia now racing in less than Diana entering the home stretch. Zenyor Cricket, Late Bloomer is on the outside. C-Master fighting back down on the inside. South Pearl as they swing for home. We have Zenyor Cricket, Late Bloomer, South Pearl is on the outside. With about 100 meters of the race, we have South Pearl now takes command. Late Bloomer is down on the inside, running by the Zenyor Cricket, and finally South Pearl, Late Bloomer. Then comes Zenyor Cricket, C-Master, and Frozen Margarita.
Magaling yung South Pearl sa